Las Vegas, Kansas City Chiefs defensive tackle Chris Jones finished his regular season with a flourish. He sacked Las Vegas Raiders quarterback Jarrett Stidham 5 times on Saturday night, giving him 15.5 for the season, which should put him in the top 5 when all teams are done for the year. However, that's not what brought a smile to Jones' face after the Chiefs secured the AFC's No.1 playoff seed with a 31-13 win over the Raiders at Allegiant Stadium. It was the thought of a week off. We came in with intention, knowing what's at stake and what we were fighting for, Jones said. We were able to win the game, most importantly. So, heading into the playoffs, we get the bye week. The number 1 seeded Chiefs, 14-3, will be the AFC's only team to get the first round bye. They will begin their postseason with a divisional round game in 2 weeks at Arrowhead Stadium. Home field advantage for the AFC Championship Game should they advance. That bar is not guaranteed after the NFL changed some of its playoff seeding rules in the wake of Monday's cancelled Buffalo Bills-Cincinnati Bengals game. The game under certain circumstances could be played at a neutral site. But it would be played in Kansas City if the 12-3 Bills lose on Sunday to the New England Patriots, assuming the Chiefs advance. For now, at least, the Chiefs were happy with the bye. They haven't had a break since week 8 of the regular season, or more than 2 months ago. Coach Andy Reid said the Chiefs plan to practice some during the bye, but also have some time off. Just take a step back and get yourself where you feel stronger and healthier, Reid said of what he will tell the players. You still gotta take care of business. Our guys understand that. Quarterback Patrick Mahomes has never played an AFC playoff game in a stadium other than Arrowhead.